Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Miss Jyoti, and today we will solve the book exercise of chapter 2, Body Parts, page number 20 in EVS. Okay, so open to page number 20 and take out your pencil and eraser and get ready to solve the exercise with me. Now, children, here is the exercise number G. There are many activities in which we use more than one body part at the same time. Now see question first. Write the body part we use for the following activities. Imagine the activity and write your answer. Children, in this question you have to write the name of body parts which is used for following activities. Okay, and you have to imagine the activity and then write the answer. See number A. Swimming. Children, now imagine that which body part is used for swimming. Let's see one picture based on this activity. Yes, what you can see? Yes, legs and hands are used for swimming. We use our hands and legs to swim. Now children, write in number A, swimming, hands and legs. Hands and legs is used for swimming. Okay. Now come to number B, eating. Children, write the body part we use for eating. Just imagine the activity that which body part is used for eating. Yes, now look at the picture and imagine, children. Yes, our hands and teeth. So what will come here? Hands and teeth. No? Now write hands and teeth for eating. Number B. Okay. Now come to question number C. Writing. Children, again we have to imagine the body part used for writing. Now let's see picture. Yes, what you can see in this picture? Yes, hands and eyes are used for writing. So write here hands and writing. Now come to number D, dancing. Children, again, which body part is used for dancing? Let's see picture and then imagine that which body part is used for dancing. Yes, here is the picture for you all. Just see the picture and imagine. Yes, hands and legs are used for dancing. So write over here hands and legs. Okay. Children, let's have a look once again that what we have done in this exercise. Okay. Children, in this exercise there was one question, and in this question we have to write the body parts we use for the following activities and imagine the activity and write your answer. No? So this is the activity for which we have to imagine the activity and write the answer, and in these activities more than one body part is used. We use more than one body part at the same time to do this activity. Okay. Number A, swimming. Children, for swimming we use more than one body part, and that is hands and legs. We use hands and legs for swimming. Number B, eating. Children, again, for eating we use more than one body part. So teeth and hands. We use teeth and hands for eating. Number C, writing. Children, again in this question also, in this activity, we use more than one body parts. That is hands and eyes is used for writing. We use hands and eyes for writing. Okay. Number D, dancing. Children, we use hands and legs for dancing. So in this activity also more than one body part is used. So that's all for the class today. I hope you have enjoyed solving this exercise. Have a nice day.